What's up, YouTube? Here is how to use the auxiliary key with your Mazda CX-50. So first thing you're gonna want to do is go ahead and pop off this little cover here using this little latch. You're gonna do that, and then it's gonna pop off right here. Then when that pops off, your auxiliary key should come right out. So you're gonna wanna manipulate it with two hands. Pull down on this little tab here, and then this will pop right off, and you take out the key. So I actually learned how to do this from a different YouTube video. You're gonna want to have the key facing left here, and then it's actually pretty tricky as to how to do it. You're gonna want to pull the handle all the way out. And honestly, I'm only making this video because the first video is like in 360p or something crazy like that. And I mean, my video is not that much better, but you're gonna wanna pull the handle out and put it in with the little handle facing the left hand side. So you're gonna wanna carefully angle that in. So it's really easier to do it with two hands. But what you need to do is you need to turn it until it clicks here. Turn it back, close the handle, and it will unlock the door. So I'm gonna try doing that again. Is it needlessly complicated? I think so. But once again, it's pretty simple. You put it in with the handle facing the left-hand side, turn it clockwise until it clicks, turn it back into this original position, let the handle close, and then you can pull it open. I think it's needlessly complicated, but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.